was a copper and her mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer. Like they gotta play when you break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than gold. What in the world does no company take me for? Black bandana, sweet Louisiana, robbing on a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rebel and a stunner, coming everywhere saying, baby, what you gonna? Looking down the barrel of a hot man 45, just another way to survive.
Come on.